Is your Xbox 360 internet connection giving you a massive headache? Don't throw your controller just yet, because I'm about to walk you through some quick fixes to get you back online in under 2 minutes. First, let's start with the basics. Power cycle everything. That means unplug your Xbox 360, your modem, and your router. Wait a full minute before plugging the modem back in. Once the modem is fully booted up, plug in the router, wait for it to reconnect, and then finally, plug your Xbox 360 back in. If that didn't work, head over to System Settings on your Xbox 360 dashboard. Then, select Network Settings. From here, choose Test Xbox Live Connection. This will help identify where the problem lies. If the test fails, it will often give you a specific error code which we can troubleshoot later. If you are still experiencing issues, select Configure Network. From here, you can either use a wired or wireless connection. Make sure you have the basic settings correctly set up. You will have to choose either automatic or manual IP address, DNS settings, and DHCP settings based on your ISP provided settings. Lastly, check your physical connections. Make sure your Ethernet cable is securely plugged into both your Xbox 360 and your router. Try a different Ethernet cable just to rule out a faulty cable as the culprit. Hopefully, one of these steps got you back online. If you're still having trouble, leave a comment below with the error code you're seeing, and I'll do my best to help. Now get back to gaming.